Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make desktop spaces switch independently on each monitor on Mac. So by default, your multi-monitor setup may behave like a connected workspace. When you have another desktop space, the content on all the displays may change together. Independent space allows you to switch the desktop on one monitor while keeping the other monitor exactly as it is. For example, you can move between different workspaces on the main display while keeping the reference document or video visible on external monitor. The option responsible for this behavior is displays have separate spaces. Changing it requires you to log out your Mac before the new behavior become active. So to do so, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here scroll down until you find Mission Control section. Now make sure to enable the toggle right to displays have separate spaces, and you should now see requires logout beside the option, something like this. So save your OpenWork and then click on the Apple menu and choose logout when the menu prompt. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Here click on logout again and sign in to your Mac again when the login screen appear. And after signing in, each connected display will have its own set of spaces. Moving between desktop on one monitor will no longer automatically replace the desktop so on another monitor, and you can manage the spaces for a particular display by moving the pointer to that screen and opening Mission Control. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.